TNT Mic Series. We got Switch up here, a little R&B for you. Just introduce yourself for the folks.
Sure. Hi everyone, my name is Songbird. I'm from Irish Music Group, First Lady.
Alright, cool. So,
give it up, PaperBox.
I didn't get enough love. How are y'all doing?
Make some motherfucking noise, man.
So I'm about to switch the whole vibe right now. If I'm not mistaken, I think I'm the only female performer tonight. So I know I gotta represent, but if anyone has ever seen me perform, or if they know me, they know I like intimate crowds. So I know, you know, the people back there are probably having fun, but if you can just come a little closer. Come a little closer. Come closer to me. Come a little closer. A little bit more. Come on. I like to feel body heat. I want to smell you.
You ready?
So, thank you. So I know this weekend is Valentine's Day. I know this weekend is Valentine's Day weekend. But, yes, I heard it was canceled because of All-Star Weekend. And that sucks. But that doesn't pertain to me. So if my boo is in the crowd, you better make sure I have some chocolate and some flowers waiting for me. So, but anyway, I'm not gonna do any love songs tonight.
I didn't even give him my birthday. It's funny,
I'm gonna sing about pain and heartbreak.
I actually have a single coming out the end of February. It's called The Breakup.
okay.
I'm going to hear it tonight.
It was Valentine's Day. We're supposed to be together.
Well, you know, not everyone has a Valentine's Day, and because All-Star Weekend is in New York this year, I heard that Valentine's Day is canceled. So you shaking your head. So people might be doing a lot of breaking up this weekend. So I got the song for you. If your boo does not handle this weekend correctly, I got you. Yes. Y'all better.
No doubt, so look out for my girl Songbird. She's about to blaze the stage with the breakup and all that. TNT Music Series, can't wait to hear her do her thing.
Follow me?
Yeah, I'm about to say, go tell them the Twitters and the Instagrams and all that stuff.
So my handle is She Is Songbird. It's spelled exactly how it sounds. She Is Songbird. Instagram
is my single that's going to be released at the end of the month. I'm just a little quiet. It's basically saying that I'm through with my guy. He's acting up, and I don't wanna mess with him no more. Are you laughing at me? Cause I'ma sing to you if you laughing at me. Come right here. I'ma sing to you now. You can play it now since you was laughing.
Thinking back to all the times you promised you would never leave my side.
gonna be released later on this month. I'll be having a release party and all that, so please follow me at She Is Songbird to get all the details. What'd you say? Oh, y'all are invited. And my dope writer is here. Moose, where are you? Moosey Wins. Yeah, he actually wrote that song for me. So follow him too, Moosey Wins.
Artists, what makes them tick? What made you decide that you wanted to sing and pursue music and do R&B?
Alright, so actually it's a funny story. I was 7.
Okay.
My family and I were having a reunion, and I have an older cousin, her name is Sabria, and she's a year older than me, but everything she did I wanted to do. Like, she was my idol at the time. So our granny was like, all the grandchildren has to come, you know, Sunday morning for brunch and sing a gospel song, and it was Can't Give Up Now by Mary Mary. So my cousin did a song, she jumped up, she was like, I want to sing, Granny. I didn't know nothing, but I'm like, my cousin did it, I wanted to do it. So she started singing, I started singing, and who would have known that I would have fell in love with the mic at that time, and that I would actually be like decent at it. So yeah, I started singing because of her, but I fell in love with it because as a child I had a speech impediment. I was really bad, like my stuttering was crazy. But when I perform and when I sing, it's like the only time I don't stutter. So it actually like helped gain my confidence. So in a way, music like saved me.
Okay, no doubt, man. So, man, I'm sorry.
It's okay. Well, first of all, I'm not a ma'am. I'm 22 years old. Still a young chicken.
No doubt, no doubt. So, how'd you come up with the name Songbird? That sounds very mystical, very majestic.
I actually didn't come up with it. It was given to me.
Okay.
The dean of my middle school just introduced me as the school's little songbird because I sang for their fundraisers, and it just stuck with me ever since.
And my handles are She Is Songbird. So if you taking a picture, taking a video, tag me, She Is Songbird. I'll follow you back, show me some love.
So name some of your influences, the R&B game or rapping, whatever music game you're into.
Definitely. I'm in love with Chris Michelle.
Oh, she's dope. She's very good.
Dope as hell. Chris Michelle, Jasmine Sullivan. They're like my R&B soul inspiration. And then I consider myself like old soul, like modern. So energy, holiday, just I'm a freak of both.
Y'all should know about one of my favorite artists. If you feeling me, rock with me.
Yo, you good? Yo, you good,
It's over.
Shed a little bit of light on the underground game for R&B artists. How's it out there for guys?
No, well, guys too. There are some dope R&B singers that are male. But I feel like R&B is a little difficult because not everyone respects how much goes into it. And I think because there are so many, like singers are dominant, honestly. There are so many singers out there, but there's levels of course. Singers that can hold it down, and singers that can blow. But I feel like in R&B, it doesn't necessarily have to do with talent all the time. It's if their look is good, their gimmick, because gimmick plays a lot these days. But as far as the underground scene, I've met some crazy R&B singers, and I think they're underrated. Sometimes they're better than our mainstream singers, to be honest with you. It's all love. It's a competition, but it's all love. Because if you love the art and respect the art, you love talent.
So, just name a little bit about your, talk a little bit about your songwriting process. What goes into like writing a song, like The Breakup and other songs?
Well, actually, I didn't write The Breakup. So Scholarship Music Group, we're a bunch of artists. Moose, he's my manager, he's my partner. He actually wrote that song. I'm more of a speed.
Oh, okay.
I'm a hopeless romantic. I'm sad. But I had to switch my gear because I was always like, no, I'm gonna go to and it was like not like pain actually sometimes creates the better art. Like, and I do like to sing with pain. So if I sing with pain when I'm singing a love song, it doesn't really mesh that well. Not at all. So no, he wrote that song for me, and I fell in love with it. But as far as me personally, when I do write, it actually starts off as poetry. So my writing is not, I don't have the technicality of poetry. Like sometimes my stuff is all over the place because I'm just writing. So I'm still in my learning process. I'm really still overlearning when it comes to writing my authors and what I'm learning.
To be honest with you, I mean, as an artist myself, sometimes that rawness is needed. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes not everything has to be so polished, if you will.
Right.
You know,
like verse, pre-hook, bridge, right.
You can always mix it up. I mean, especially as a listener, sometimes you might want to surprise them a little bit. So, you know, don't be discouraged by that. You'll be all right. I think you'll be fine. So, how do you feel about venues such as TNT and all the other showcases out there that give artists like yourself that are developing a chance to showcase your talent to the world?
I really appreciate you. Like, to be honest with you, I like the fact that other artists are developing a platform for each other.
Yes.
Scholarship actually has something of our own called musical memoirs. So we know what it is. We love to perform for other showcases, but we also love to provide that platform as well. Okay. So we know the game. We just appreciate it because we're family in New York. It's competition and it's real out here, but when you can just celebrate artistry, you know, within your own family, your own underground, you know, team, is cool. So I appreciate y'all so much for allowing me to come out and do my thing, and you know, hopefully I don't get booed off the stage. I'm not a rapper. Are there other singers tonight?
I think you might be one of the only ones.
I'm the only singer, so that gotta be good, right?
We also have the other so they say he's gonna do an R&B joint as well. So you know, you won't be here by yourself. It don't matter. He's gonna show you love. Brooklyn, spread love.
Like I'm the only girl, so I'm gonna stick out like a sore thumb.
Nah, you'll be fine, man. Brooklyn, we spread the love.
Yes,
where you from?
I'm from Brooklyn.
Okay,
Yeah.
Okay, no doubt. So you know, we always gotta show the love.
Yes. Y'all better. I'm leaving. Wondering what you've been doing. Where you been sleeping? I'm leaving. How many times did I go for your love? How many times did I say coming wrong? Never questioning why.
Chewy Garcia. He was spitting crazy bars. Well, that's my brother. That's my group mate. We're part of Scholarship Music Group. I don't know if he told y'all his handles, but follow him at Chewy Garcia everywhere. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, all that.
So my handle is She Is Songbird. It's spelled exactly how it sounds. She Is Songbird. Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, all of that. Go to scholars.com to see the rest of my team and my stuff, all the events that we have going on. SCHOLARICH.com/songbird. The breakup is coming in the last week of February, and I have my EP coming out in April called Sweet and Sour on my birthday, April 13th.
Okay.
Yes. Oh, and Sweet and Sour is basically like the sweet and sour aspects of love and of life. So you got the good and the bad.
Love it.
So tonight I'm going to be sour with the breakup.
It's all right. Hopefully next month we can see the sweet.
Exactly.
I see the sweet already.
Thank you.
No doubt. So we can't wait to hear it, and we can't wait to thank you for coming by.
Thank you. Thank you guys. I just want to give a huge shout out to copandgo.com. Thank you.